Hi there, so I'm going to show you 5 free image plugins that you can use on Figma, and some are AI. So the first one is on Splash. So you can use Unsplash to get free images on Figma. Depends on the type of image you want. If it's people, architecture, places, just different type. And the second one is illustration. So illustration are free popular libraries that you can use. So it's going to show you different illustrations that you can use, and they are all free. You don't have to pay for it. So the third one I'm going to show you is called Pexels, and you can add free image to your designs from Pexels. So you can go to Pexel, you run it, and just free images, and they're actually AI too. So a win-win. You can find different images you're looking for. The fourth one is called UI Faces, and they are free AI. It looks like this. They are free AI generated avatars for your design projects. So if you're trying to create a design project on Figma, and you're looking for free AI generated images, that's for you. And the last one is avatars. So avatar is, so when you search for avatar, make sure you choose this one that I just came up with. And avatar is actually a comprehensive collection of diverse and high avatar images, so just different ones. So that's it. Bye for now.